Hello बच्चों, let's see the question, and the question says that consider the function fx is equal to x plus 1 upon x, where x belongs to r is real number, and r cannot be 0. Is f 1 1? So we have to tell in this question f is 1 1 or not. Okay, so let's solve the question, and hint is check that f2 is to f 1 by 2. Okay, so key concept for this question is okay, a function 1 1, a function says 1 1. Okay, 1 1 means if fx1 is equal to fx2, where x1 comma x2 belongs to real number. Okay, then x1 must be equal to x2. Then we can say the function is 1 1. Okay, then implies that we can say x1 is equal to x2. So let's solve the question. So in this question we have given, हमारे पास question में given क्या है? हमारा function given है fx is equal to x plus 1 upon x real number. Okay, so तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास hint में क्या दे रखा f2. So let's find f2. So f2 will be that is 2 plus 1 upon 2. So implies that we have 5 upon 2. Similarly, we have to find 1 by 2. So that will be 1 by 2 plus 2, and that will be implies that we have 5 upon 2. So as we can see here कि f2 पे फंक्शन क्या वैल्यू दे रहा है हमारे पास, f2 is equal to f1 by 2 as we can see here, because दोनों पे फंक्शन क्या दे रहा है 5 by 2 दे रहा है. बट यहाँ पे अकॉर्डिंग टू डेफिनेशन अगर हमारे पास fx1 is equal to fx2 है, तो 1 1 होने के लिए क्या होना चाहिए, x1 is equal to x2. Here 2 is not equal to 1 by 2. यहाँ पे x1 क्या है, x2 के इक्वल ही नहीं है. Then we can say here function f is not 1 1 function. Okay, so that will be our answer. ठीक है, so I hope you all understood it. Thank you and all the best.